Sometimes through WhatsApp, you may have shared your live location with any others and it will be for 1 hour or 8 hours. If you are sharing live location, they can see where you are going. So in between, if you want to stop sharing your live location, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to stop sharing live location in WhatsApp. For that, open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you have sent your live location. In my case, I am selecting this contact. And here you can see I have sent live location, and here you can see live until 10:21 am. So now also this person can see where I am. So if you want to stop, here you can see stop sharing option. Click on this, and when you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here click on stop. When you are clicking on that, live location sharing will be stopped. So this way you can easily stop sharing your live location in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.